Hello, good evening. Welcome, Elissa here. Don't mind my, hold on, what is happening here? Don't mind my nice hair here today. I'm wearing a hat because this mama needs to wash her hair. I'm all out of dry shampoo. I hadn't had a shower because I have this stupid freaking heart monitor thing on it and it's driving me crazy. Okay guys, so I'm doing this live. Yeah, I'm a little crazy, but let's do this. So as you can see, I would like this nose ring to be a little closer to my nose. It's a little far, a little big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what I did with my last nose ring before I went and ordered this one because I'm impatient and when I want something, I want it now. Hi, Angela. Okay, so here we go. What I like to do, this actually works really well, you guys. If you take tweezers, so I'm gonna kind of do this. I'm gonna put another mirror here so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So grab the one end with this tweezer. So I'm just gonna unhook it this way, okay? And then we're just gonna pull that out. Sorry guys, it's a little gross pulling this out right here. Let's just do this. Okay, so I pulled it out. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean it with my cleaner, okay, and just a little bit of that cleaner. And what I'm going to do now, I'm taking these, okay, taking these wire cutters, and so I just want to take a little bit off. Okay, so I'm going to flip this down to see if you guys can show it up. I'm going to see if I can show you what I'm doing. Yeah, see this nice stupid little thing I have? I have to sleep with it. It's a pain in the arse. Okay, hold on. You guys see that? Okay, so I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to, oopsies, just cut a little bit off because I don't want it to be like too much shorter, but I want it a little bit shorter than what it is already. So I would start off with a little bit, and if I want to make it a little, there we go. So I've just cut that little bit off there. I'm just going to bend it back now. Let's see if this works. Okay, hold on. I'm going to flip you back up again. Okay, so now let's see if this works. I haven't done it with this kind. The last kind that I used was a little different than this. It didn't have this ring thing on here, so I really hope I didn't just mess this up. I'll show you what I did. I'm going to show you guys the other one that I did though. I got these ones from Claire's, and this is the one that I already cut. I've just opened it up and it fit perfectly, you guys. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed and hope that this one works the same. I may need to get, I have these jewelry pliers that will actually bend that back in place. I should have grabbed that. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to put this back in my nose. If I have to go and grab that tool, I will. But I just wanted to show you guys how quick and easy you can do. Oh, and again, I'm going to clean that before I put it on. Oh, where did I put that other? Oh, anyways. Oh, there it is. So clean that. And guys, I cleaned this before I used it as well. Okay. So here we go. And I have no makeup on other than my mascara and my lip. My hottie lip lumper. So don't mind me, I've not washed my hair. I am a hot mess today, guys. But that's okay. It's real life, right? So let's plop her back in. And turn it. Okay, hold on. This is where I use the tweezers again, too. Okay, and then we're going to squeeze that together now. Hold on. Sorry, it looks like I'm like picking my nose here, but I'm not. I promise you I'm not picking my nose. Okay. Ah, okay. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Did you see that? Fits perfectly now. Yes, I'm very happy with that. I'm just gonna give that another clean. Gotta keep things clean and safe, people. Safety first. And there we go, we are done. So I just wanted to, because I had a hard time trying to find a nose ring that fit close. And depending on where you get your nose pierced, mine was pierced a little kind of, I don't know why he did it this close to my nose. I wish he would have put it back a little further, but anyhow, whatevs, it's what I gotta deal with. So anyhow, you guys, look at how easy that was. All you need is wire cutters. I like to use 2 pairs of tweezers, and I find that it works incredibly, and then you just squeeze it back together and boom. Always start off with just like a little bit, and if you need to add, you know, cut a little bit more off, don't cut too much off at the beginning, because then if you cut too much off, you're screwed, and then you're out that piercing, right? So as I said, just start off with a little tiny bit, and then just make your way, just go further if you need to. So there we go, looking good. I'm loving it. And it's so easy, because I know it was so hard. And another thing, guys, these were super cheap. This was like, I think $16.50. I got this one. This is a rose gold one that I purchased online. And I think it was $11, but I do really like it though. Stainless steel as well. But I got all 3 of these ones here for $16.50 Canadian. And as I said, I just cut this one, so I'll probably go ahead, I'll go ahead and cut these ones too, so then I'll have like 4 different color nose rings. Well, these ones are kind of similar, but anyways, I do like my rose gold one. So anyhow, that is it. Quick and easy, you guys. So simple. Mind blown. My friend Miranda told me that's what she did, so I had to come on here and show you guys how to do it, because it was so easy. I had so many people saying like, oh my god, if you find a nose ring that's close, let me know. You don't need to. Go to Claire's, grab one of these, and cut it with the wire cutter. Just be clean. Be clean, my friends. Be clean. Always clean your tools, clean everything, clean your nose afterwards. We're just gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna clean, just because I'm telling you guys I'm gonna do it again. Go in there and clean that. Clean inside the nose too. Just be on the safe side, my friends. And there we go. We are done. So if you're on here watching live, just come on and say hi. If you see the red live button on here, if you're coming back to watch the replay, please hit 2 in the comments so I can come back and say hey. And if you would love to share this video and share how quick and easy this is with the nose ring, please share away. I would greatly appreciate that. So have a wonderful day. I was gonna say happy Friday, but it's not Friday yet. It's like, I was wishing it was Friday, but it's not. It feels like Friday for me. Well, let's be honest. I work from home. Every day is like a Friday to me, right? Right? I love, love, love what I do. Anyhow, guys, have a fabulous day. Sorry, just grabbing that, making sure I don't lose it. Have a wonderful night. Remember, guys, thoughts become things, so make your thoughts incredible ones. Envision the beautiful life that you deserve. Be the goofy, magnificent person you are. Don't hide behind anything. Shine your light bright, my friends. Don't let anyone dim your light, okay? Because just be who you are. Don't hide behind anyone. Don't try and be someone that you're not. Be your authentic, real, raw self, and be beautiful. And for those of you, for people that don't like who you are, you don't want those people in your life anyways. Because once you start being true to yourself and being who you really are, you will attract all of the beautiful people that deserve to be around you. So again, guys, have a great day. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk later. Bye.